Welcome to our today's video where we identify the 5 stages of drying. Precitek has various sensors for inline quality monitoring, and today we make use of a dual point sensor, DPS, that can bear ambient temperatures up to 600 degrees C. The identification of the 5 stages of drying is of the highest importance as the drying parameter impact on the quality of the electrode and thus of the battery. And there's a trend in the market of an increasing thickness of the electrode, which comes along with serial challenges, such for example the binder migration, crack formation or the adhesion force. And we will now show you how our sensors can support solving these challenges.